Hey guys, I just ordered the salon tray table and I just want to show you how easy and simple it is to assemble. So let's get started and unbox this beauty. To begin assembling, all you're going to do is take your legs and crisscross them like this. They will fit right into place there. And then you're going to take your wheels and just snap them on the bottoms. They just snap in. Super simple. This assembly process is so quick, so easy. Anybody can do it. After you've attached the black attachment to the legs, you're going to go ahead and take the bars that will be the middle and the body of your salon tray, and you can go ahead and adjust the height as well by turning the black nozzles. Then you're going to take your metal hook and flip your legs around and screw this metal hook in the bottom here. This is going to make sure that everything is together and nice and secure and it's not going to go anywhere. Then we will go ahead and attach our tray, and we will do this by loosening the black knob until the tray falls into place and it is nice and secure. When you have it where it needs to be, you can go ahead and turn that knob to the right to tighten it. Lastly, these black plastic pieces will slip in for cosmetic touches. And there you have it, a nice stylish salon tray table.